students, most of the students fail in these sampling questions. So don't be one of them. Sampling MCQs that can come directly in your exam. So be careful and read these MCQs. Question 1. Which sampling method ensures proportional representation of all groups? A. Cluster sampling, B. Stratified sampling, C. Convenience sampling, and D. Systematic sampling. Answer is B. Stratified sampling. Population is divided into strata and samples are drawn proportionally and it ensures representation. So strata may be of income basis or job basis, whatever strata they can take. Question number 2. A researcher selects respondents who are easiest to reach. This is a random sampling, B. Stratified sampling, C. Convenience sampling, D. Systematic sampling. Answer is C. Convenience sampling. Based on accessibility, not on randomness. High bias risk because researcher takes the samples at his convenience. Question number 3. Which of the following is a probability sampling method? A. Quota sampling, B. Judgment sampling, C. Snowball sampling, D. Systematic sampling. Answer is D. Systematic sampling. Every unit has a known probability, fixed interval selection. For example, every fifth member of the group will be selected. So it is called systematic. Question number 4. If a researcher selects entire village randomly and surveys all households, it is called a stratified sampling. A. B. Cluster sampling. C. Systematic sampling. D. Convenience sampling. Answer is B. Cluster sampling. Whole groups clusters are selected instead of individuals. Question number 5. Which error arises due to faulty questionnaire design? A. Sampling error, B. Measurement error, C. Coverage bias, D. Selection bias. Answer is B. Measurement error. Poor questions leads to incorrect responses. Question number 6. Snowball sampling is mainly used when A. Population is large, B. Population is homogeneous, C. Population is hidden or hard to reach, D. High accuracy is required. Answer is C. Population is hidden or hard to reach. Respondents refer others. For example, drug addicts refers other drug addicts of their group or rare groups of the people who are hidden. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an advantage of sampling? A. Saves time, B. Saves cost, C. Provides exact results, D. Feasible for large population. Answer is C. It provides